Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I am Diana Jackson, Customer Service Representative at Osborne. A lot of customers are looking at the latest trends in interior design, but they want their design to be unique. Acrylic furniture is a great way to make a statement. Our contemporary collection of acrylic components includes stunning table legs and furniture feet. These can be used to transform an existing piece of furniture or as defining elements of a brand new design. Our acrylic table legs range in height from 18 inches to 35.5 inches. Use them to uplift anything from coffee table legs to kitchen islands. We offer 100% acrylic pieces as well as beautiful fusion designs that feature wooden profiles with acrylic accents. If you want to continue the acrylic look throughout your home, check out our selection of acrylic furniture feet. These durable furniture feet come in a range of sizes and shapes depending on your preference. They are perfect for adding to custom look to couches, dressers, entertainment centers, and bookshelves. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays. You can find the full acrylic collection at our website, www.osbornewood.com. If you like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.